Hi everyone. I just did another video on how to get my head strap off of my Oculus MetaQuest 2 VR headset. So you can see it's got no strap on it right now. I also took off the face guard, or the, I don't know what you call it, but the soft part that touches your face. So that's off too. You need that off in order to install this new one that I bought, which is what I wanted to just show everyone what I got and how it gets installed. So this is an Anker Series 5. It's got the dial on the back, so you just turn that to tighten it or loosen it. A lot easier for the kids to use. This was the box it came in. I'm not promoting them or anything or paid by them. It's just the one I bought based on reviews off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description in case anybody wants to try it as well. Okay, so this is the orientation of it. So we're going to put the strap in first, and all we're going to do is try to feed it into this top bar here. It's kind of hard to see, just but once you're working on it, it's pretty simple. So you just feed it right into this area here, and what I found works best is you got to kind of wiggle it around, but if you push down, it'll just work its way through there. And then you get that all the way pulled through. And the next step, I'm just going to reorientate this, and we're going to put on these sidebars, these sidebars onto here. Okay, so I got it reorientated, so you can see the headset's over there. This is the right direction. Technically you can put this on, but it's really doesn't matter. You can put it on after you do this. So I think the way that looks like it's going to work the best is to lay it flat, and these just clip on, but you do have to give it quite a bit of pressure. So you just, maybe I'll show you how it lines up there. You can see it just fits right in, but getting it to click in does take a bit of pressure. So I'm going to try and use both my hands here. There we go. And there. Hopefully I didn't block the camera too much with my hands, but really it just clips in. I'll give you a better view on this side. So you can see how these they fit right over each other, and it just takes a bit of pressure to get them clipped in there. I think if you start at one end and then just work your way up, yeah, that went in a little better. If I got it all the way in, yep. So that's all the way in, you can see. Now this is what it looks like when it's done, and it's pretty slick. So now to tighten it, when you have it on your head, or loosen it, you just utilize the dial. The Velcro strap's the same as the one that came with it pretty much, but it's just got a little more padding on it, and the back of your head's got a little more padding, so I'm hoping it will be a little bit more comfortable. I'll put some notes in the description on what I ultimately think after using it a bit, but I thought just making a video on putting it together for anyone else that might need the help would be good. And then, yeah, like I said, you just can click in the face guard and you're good to go. There, ready to use. Thanks for watching. I thought of one more thing just before I let you go. One other nice feature about this is when you have it on your head, you can lift the VR headset up. So if you want to look at something else in your room, you're trying to figure out where you're at in the room, much easier than the old one, pushing that up. So it has that pivot point there. That's really nice. So hopefully you could see that. My camera work's not the best, as you probably have gathered, but just wanted to throw that in there. Thanks.